Welcome to my room tour for Springhill Suites in Miami. As you walk in the room, you see your sitting area. You have a sleeper sofa here. This is a sleeper. Pull it out. You have a table over here, a side table. And your desk is separated from the rest of the room by a partition. But you have a couple of outlets here beside the lamp, a couple of outlets here, so you can charge up everything nice and ready. On the other side of the desk, you have the bed. You have a dresser here, a nightstand here with cubbies. You have two reading lamps here and over on the other side of the room, other side of the bed for reading. There's just a table over here, but you have a light switch that'll turn that light above the bed on and off. This is the closet with a full-length mirror. You can see you have your standard ironing board and iron, the storage shelf up top with the hangers, and you have two drawers. They're pretty deep. It's a good size. You have a sliding door that gets you to your bathroom. So the bathroom is split. You have your vanity over here with a nice size mirror. And you have your shower with this glass door. Your standard shampoos. And this is the other half of the bathroom. All right. There you have your sink and your toilet. Another sink, actually. This way, you have your standard television. You have a storage drawer under the television, the storage space there. And the last thing, you have a cubby, a little storage there, but you have a microwave, a small microwave to heat things up, with the coffee and ice section, and you have a refrigerator to put your sodas and water in if you're going to have an extended stay or just overnight. So this is the Springhill Suites in Miami. This is the second time that we've stayed in this hotel. It's in a kind of a busy area. Actually, yeah, it's a pretty busy area. But this is it. Thanks for listening.